Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the science video session standard 3. To continue the lesson 3, plants. Today we are going to learn about plant habitats. Children, why trees grow in different places look so different? Plants grow almost everywhere on the earth. We can see plants in plain region, hills, desert, and also in and under the water. Here we see the trees. Here we see the trees are of different shapes. Some are round like a ball, some are oval, round like a ball, some are oval, some like a ice cream cones. Because the plants make some changes to survey in the different surrounding. As some plants had heavy rain, some get average rain, and some had hardly get any. Some places are very hot, while some are very cold. Boom soil of different places. It's also different. Some plants have dry and sandy soil. So only the plants have different shapes and sizes. Then the natural environment or surrounding where a plant lives is called habitat. Plant can be divided into two types: terrestrial plant and aquatic. Terrestrial plant and aquatic plant. Terrestrial plants are on land plant. Aquatic or water plant. First we see about terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plant, the plant that grow on land is called terrestrial plant, like hills, desert, marshy land, plains. Tree grown in plain have woody stem, flat and broad leaves. They have shape like an umbrella. Example the banyan tree, mango tree, teak tree. These are examples of these plants. Plants in plain need to adapt to both dry condition and extreme temperature. That type of plant only grown in the plain region. Next we discuss about plant that grow in desert. The, the plant that grow in desert, the desert climate is hot and dry. So only a few plants are found in there. How to plant survey there, children? There is hardy and less rainfall in the desert. Desert plants have fleshy stem to store water in their leaves are like a pouch to protect the water. Lest their roots are spread far away in search of water and quickly catch even a small amount of water. This type of plants only grown in the desert region. Example, aloe vera, then aloe vera tree, pine, aloe vera, then date palm. These types of tree only grown in the desert. Date palm and aloe vera. Next we discuss about plant on mountain. Some trees grown in cold and hilly region. In fact, of some of these plants there is snow. Of all also trees in these places have sloping shape, so that have no bones of easy from them. They have tough needle like leaves. They survey in the cold. And how insect of flower? They have cones, therefore they have conifers. Let us see the plant of marshy land. They are so different why their roots comes out of the soil. Marshy Marshy have clay soil which hold a lot of water, therefore the air cannot enter in the soil. These are these types of plants only grow in this region. Children, do you know what is so special about a country natural flower? Lotus. Yes, it is a definitely beautiful. It is also water plant. It grown in the water only. Similarly, some plant grown in the water only. There are called aquatic plant. The aquatic plant can be divided into three types: fixed plant, floating plant, underwater or submerged plant. First we discuss about fixed plant. Fixed plant. The root of some plant like lotus, water lily are fixed in the mud at the bottom of the pond, lake or river. Big thin leaves they even the surface of the water. Do you wonder why they do not break when the water current is so strong? The stem of these plants are very flexible, so they can be bent with the flow of water and do not get damaged by strong current. So only these types of plants are called fixed water plant. What are the plant? Lotus and water lily. Have you ever? Next we discuss about floating plant. Have you ever seen some plant floating in the pond or river? The plant like duckweed, pistia can float freely. They have spongy body with air filled in them and make plant light enough to float. These are called floating water plant. Example is pistia. Next we discuss about submerged water plant. Some plants grow completely under the water. These plants are called submerged plant. Their leaves are narrow and thick. Without the stomata, they give out oxygen into the water, which is used by the fishes for breathing. We saw plants make a lot of changes to adapt themselves to the different climate conditions, soil types, rainfall temperature and their habitat. These process of making changes in themselves to adjust to their surrounding or habitat by the plant is called as adaptation. Human should not human should not disturb them and their habitat knowingly or unknowingly. By doing this, we only will suffer. Save tree, plant and protect our environment. Children, I hope that you would have understood this section. Thank you.